Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to enable PiP mode on YouTube, which is picture-in-picture mode. So if you are using an iOS device, open settings first and then go to the option of general. Now once you come here, simply go to picture-in-picture option. Now over here you can see in my case, the Start PiP Automatically option is turned on, which means that when you swipe up, go to home screen or use other apps, videos and FaceTime calls will automatically continue in picture. So now let's open YouTube app and then let me tap on a video. Then swipe up and go to my home screen. Now, if you open YouTube again, you can see that this video has been stopped playing, which means that the picture-in-picture mode is not working here. So just tap on U option at the bottom right and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. From here, go to the option of General and over here scroll down below to find the picture-in-picture mode. If you don't find this option, you would have to wait until YouTube actually enables that feature for your account. However, if you have premium subscription to YouTube, then you will be able to see that option. However, if you don't have certain subscriptions to YouTube, you may have to wait for some time until that feature is available on your account. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.